For a different sound though.
No, I know the pitch. Yeah, the pitch is very different. Like
It's more of a crack.
Yeah,
I'm trying to get right in the middle of that circle.
Did you get it?
No, I'm pretty good. Close.
wow, that was oh man, that was amazing. Thank you. Thank you.
Low.
No, yeah.
Oh, double fed. Holy crap.
Star, man. That is something else. Looks so smooth. Well, I was going for the but they say I might have done.
You know what's gonna be funny, Kyle? I'm gonna put this video on YouTube, right? And everyone's gonna be like, "Oh, this fucking guy don't know how to fucking clear a jam." And be like, "Shut up, bitch. Been to Afghanistan."
How do I not know what I'm doing? I'd fucking just dump it out. Like, what?
Yeah, but you didn't do it fast enough for the fucking tactical nerds and shit. You know what?
Suck my dick.
I personally don't like it. I'm not very good with it. It's like a broomstick.
Yeah. But shotguns? Oh man.
Shotguns just feel right.
Yeah. Pistol feels good too. You know?
Yeah, I'm not. But if I.
The AR-15 hasn't been cleaned in
I bet it.
300-400 rounds. It's a gas impingement gun.
You know.
We'll go through tonight and clean her up. Is the EOTech on now?
Huh? Yeah, it's good now.
Good.
I just felt
We're
like-
pretty much gonna leave that on there, dude. That's pretty much a match. That little setup is done, dude. That's 100 yards.
For close range, that's some bad.
That's the one, dude. Kyle knows what he's doing.
Yeah, I'm messing up.
Boys combat proven.
Something stupid like you don't ever do this, but.